If you want to view your Discord password, the first thing to know is that you usually cannot see it directly inside Discord unless it was already saved somewhere on your device. So in this video, I'll show you the only safe and legitimate way to check for a saved password, and if nothing is stored, I'll show you the official way to reset it. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, if you think your Discord password may have been saved before, open your browser and go to your password manager. On Chrome, you can type chrome://password-manager into the address bar. Once that page opens, use the search box and type Discord. If a saved login appears, click on it to open the saved credentials. You may be asked to verify your identity with your device password, fingerprint, or face unlock. After that, look for the eye icon next to the password field. Clicking the eye icon will reveal the saved Discord password if one exists. Now, this only works if Discord was saved in your browser or password manager before. If nothing shows up, that means there is no stored password for Discord on that account or device. And this is the important part. Discord itself does not let you view your password inside the app. There is no hidden password section, no profile setting, and no account page where you can just reveal it. So if it was never saved, you cannot directly check it. If you cannot find a saved password, the next step is to reset it using the official Discord login page. Go to discord.com/login in your browser. On the login screen, click Forgot your password. Then enter the email address linked to your Discord account. Discord will send a password reset email to that inbox. Open your email, find the message from Discord, and click the reset link. From there, choose a new password and confirm it. After you reset it, make sure to save the new password securely in your browser or password manager so you can find it later if needed. If you're using like a shared device, be careful with saved passwords and always make sure your account is protected with a strong, unique password. So just to recap, if Discord was already saved in your password manager, you may be able to view it there. If not, Discord does not show it inside the app, and the only official option is to reset the password through the login page. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.